In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the caps lock notification or the sticky keys notification. Every time you're trying to play a game, you might see this notification over and over again, and you just want to close that or disable that. Here's what you can do. Just go to the start menu and write settings. From the settings, just click on accessibility on your left. Once you have that, just scroll all the way down to the keyboard option in the interaction settings. Just go in here, and here, if you want to enable or disable the sticky keys, you can do that, and you can toggle that on or off depending on your preference. And also the set to sensitivity of the keyboard so it can ignore brief and repeated keystrokes. You can filter the keys sensitivity as well. And after that, just try running your application or game that is causing you the problem. So just try around different settings and it should work for you. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.